In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, using the fantastic canvas of Canva.com. What makes this adventure even more enticing is that we'll be doing it all for free, without the need for a Canva Pro subscription. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Canva.com is a versatile platform that empowers users to craft captivating designs for various purposes, ranging from dazzling presentations to eye-catching Instagram posts. However, what sets it apart is its unique capability to breathe life into your NFT aspirations. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and embark on the journey of designing our very own NFT on Canva. Our artistic journey begins with a blank canvas. Canva offers various options, from logos to custom sizes. For NFTs, an Instagram post-sized canvas is ideal. Once you've chosen your canvas, you can fine-tune its dimensions to suit your vision, zooming in or out to perfection. Before we commence our creative journey, it's time to set the stage. Customize your canvas's background color by selecting Background Color. The palette is your playground, and in this instance, we'll paint it red for a unique NFT backdrop. Now, the canvas is your playground. Canva offers a vast array of elements, including lines, shapes, photos, and graphics. For our NFT, let's delve into graphics. If you have a theme in mind, like Bitcoin, simply search for it, and Canva will unveil a treasure trove of options, many of which are free even in the free version. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. Select a graphic, add it to your canvas, and mold it to your vision by adjusting its size and position. Canva's user-friendly tools make this process a breeze. The final step is adding additional elements, be it shapes, text, or more graphics. Dive into Canva's extensive library to enhance your NFT's aesthetic. And there you have it, the basic steps to create your NFT masterpiece on Canva. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can proceed to share or download your NFT. Remember, Canva's free version is a treasure chest of creative possibilities for NFT enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? Let your artistic journey begin. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications.